Hi there, Alistair here from starting a Shopify store from scratch. So in the last video, we answered a couple of questions about our business and how we are starting out, which then brought us to this page. This page is your dashboard, and if you've made any sales, this is where you'll see them. So let's quickly get familiar with the dashboard. If you look on the left side, you'll see home, orders, products, customers, analytics, marketing, and discounts. And at the very bottom of the left-hand column, you see apps, and below that, sales channels called your online store. So let's quickly go through this. Right in front of you, you can go and add a product. You can customize the look and feel of your site by adding a theme. And you can connect a domain name. If we look further down, if you've just signed up, you need to go and verify your email address. You can then also add shipping policies. You can allow your customers to track their orders. You can go and learn much more about Shopify and go read the blogs, which will also help you learn how to use Shopify to grow your business. So let's quickly go into the menu on the left-hand side. When you start receiving orders, you can then start accepting payments from customers, and obviously you'll be charged for any services once your trial ends. You will need to select a plan. The lower plan, which is $29, you can always upgrade to the $79 plan once you start making enough sales. But for now, stick with a trial until the trial ends. Hopefully, before the 14 days are up, you'll start making your first cash. Okay, so let's not play around anymore. Let's go and customize your theme and check on the domain. We don't have a product yet, so let's leave that alone. Let's go and choose a theme. When you first sign up with Shopify, you will have a default theme, but I suggest you go and select a better one. There are many themes to choose from. I suggest choose a free one to start with. The best one that we found that looks the cleanest and best to start off with is the Brooklyn theme. Let's go and select it now. You've got two choices, the classic or the playful. We recommend you stick with the classic. Just click on Add to Theme Library. It takes a few seconds, so just hang in there. Right, there you go. Your theme is successfully installed. Let's make a quick customization of the theme to make sure it looks exactly the way that we want it. Right, so this is what your theme looks like. Let's quickly go through it. Right on top here, you've got your banner. You've got some quick descriptive text about your brand. You've got collections. You can feature a collection. And at the bottom here, you give the visitors a chance to sign up to your email newsletter. And at the very bottom, you have your footer. You can add all your links, privacy disclaimers, or any other stuff that you want to add into the footer. That's it for this video. I don't want to go too long in this. In the next video, we're going to customize it to look and feel the way it will be best representative of our brand. Right, see you in the next video. Just remember, in the description box below is the link to sign up for your 14-day trial if you haven't done so already. See you in the next video.